Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert any video to any format on mobile devices. This can be done with the help of a conversion website. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type online-convert.com and hit enter. In this website, you can convert any file from one format into another. Select the target format. For example, if you want to convert an audio file to MP3, select Convert to MP3 as the target format. In this tutorial, I want to convert AVI video to MP4, so I will select Convert to MP4 as the target format. Click Choose Files and select the file which you want to convert to a format. Wait for the file to get uploaded to the conversion website. Once uploaded, click Start Conversion. Wait for the file to get converted. Once converted, your file will be downloaded in your device. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.